Hey, what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today I'm gonna be cooking some creamy, garlicky, buttery, smooth mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. Now this does not get any easier than this. Like really, it's very, very simple. So let's get down into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Okay, so we're gonna start off by peeling our potatoes. I went ahead and just already peeled them. I mean, do you really want to see me peel potatoes? So basically we're gonna just go ahead and cut these in portions. I have about 7 potatoes peeled right here. Some small, some medium. Since I am doing these in the pressure cooker, I am gonna kind of leave them whole because I don't want them to mush on me. You know, little thick chunks, so that way I can pull them out easier, because I am gonna drain them. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit them with some milk and some butter and a whole bunch of goodness so that we can get them all nice and creamy. Alright, so we got everything all nice and chopped up. We're gonna go ahead and rinse this with water. And you kind of want to get the water where it's kind of clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a wash. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just gave them a rinse of 2 times and the water came out clear. You just want to get like any of the dirt or whatever off, you know, from the skin. So yeah, they're nice and clean. So let's get our Instant Pot ready and I'll show you from there. Alright, so let's go ahead and place all our potatoes in the Instant Pot. And we're gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of water. Alright, go ahead and put your lid on there. And you want to make sure that the seal is sealed in the back, okay? Okay, like I said, there's no pressure in this right now. You want to make sure that it's set to seal, okay? We want that pressure to build up in here. So we're gonna do pressure cook, and we're going to cook this for 18 minutes. Alright, so it's preheating, it's gonna get everything going, and it's gonna start building that pressure. Once it hits a certain temperature and it gets that pressure, it's gonna start cooking, and you'll see the timer of the 18 minutes. So pretty easy from here. I'll be back in the 18-minute mark once that gets done. Alright, as you can see now that it's displaying the timer, the pressure's already built, the heat's already up. Took about 12 minutes this time to heat up, so now we just gotta wait the 18 minutes for it to cook. Alright, so it is done. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Now all we have to do is release the pressure from the Instant Pot. So you want to take your little tool here and just go ahead and hit it there. Now once all the pressure is out of the Instant Pot, you'll see this little valve go down, and it'll be kind of like flat with the surface. Once it's down, then you can go ahead and open up the lid. Okay, so we're gonna take a bowl. Let's go ahead and open up your Instant Pot. You want to take your spatula that comes with your Instant Pot, and you want to go ahead and scoop out all the potatoes. Yeah. Nice and tender, look at that. Just perfect. So you want to go ahead and just scoop everything out. To make it a lot easier, you can just use a bean smasher or a smasher. Just give it a nice good smash. But everything looks really flaky, so it's gonna just mash up on you really easy. Once you get everything smashed up, we're gonna be seasoning it and make it nice and creamy. So we have 4 tablespoons of butter right here. It's already at room temperature, but these potatoes are really hot, so it's gonna have no problem of getting them incorporated. Now I'm gonna eye it. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. You just want to season lightly, because if you over season, then you can't correct the issue. So you just want to put a little bit of salt there, a little bit of black pepper, and then you want to add a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, so now you want to drizzle in a little bit of milk. That's about half a cup. If we need a little bit more, I'll add a little bit more. Now we just want to go ahead and mix everything together. Yeah, you want these creamy, so we might be adding a little, it looks like we are going to be adding a little bit more milk. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the rest of our milk in there. Yeah, nice and smooth. So we got about a 1 cup of milk in here. Once you get everything incorporated, then we'll taste it to see if we need a little bit more salt and any other seasonings. As you can see, that's what we're looking like right there. All right, so let's just go ahead and give this a taste. Just a tad bit of salt, just a tad bit, okay? Let's go ahead and incorporate that in. All right, clean spoon. Go ahead and give this another taste. Perfect. It is perfect. You get the creaminess and the starchiness of the potato. And man, I just here, let me, because I want to keep eating this. Get the butter, get the garlic, really delicious. Now all you gotta do is just make the rest of your meal. This is very, very simple, and the Instant Pot really just shines through. Cooks them really easy, and you know, you got some delicious mashed potatoes at your table. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you can see future recipes just like this and other videos. If you have anything to say about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section, and I would truly appreciate it if you hit that like button. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.